saying? Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool?
Silly man.
Who is it? Who is it?
Yes?
Mommy, Daddy.
Silly man?
What does Silly Man say?
Whoa, whoa,
Here,
whoa.
Reese. Let's listen to Silly Man. You want to push the Silly Man button? Reese.
Silly man?
Go push really hard. Is he funny?
Daddy.
He's funny? Or is he silly? Okay. Here's Silly Man. Woo! What does Silly Man have socks on?
Yeah.
Does he have a big belly? Does he have a big belly?
Donuts. Is there anything they can't do?